like everything else that is part of our daily life, we can use cleaning as a tool, as an implement, something that can change things, because everything that we do on a regular basis can either become routine, and routine can be tiring. It can be even, it can put your soul to sleep. So if you just do things out of habit, out of routine, that is something totally different than when you consciously give it a rhythm and then work with it in a conscious way. One of the things that many women, I think this is more a quality that women have than men, is this idea that we have to be able to multitask. And, I often have an image of myself when my children were small. You have a baby on your hip, you've got your telephone, squashed here in between your shoulder and your head, and you're stirring the pot on the stove. And, are we doing justice to the food? We're not doing justice to the baby. We're not doing justice to the person that you're speaking on the telephone. So this is something that I would so much like to wish us all as part of a preparation for the new year. Let us learn how to take one thing after the other. First, really connect consciously with everything we do for that moment. Let the task which we are doing, the one task that we are at this moment, be the most important task. Because that's when you actually really love to do things, is when you are able to surrender yourself completely to the task at hand and not try to do 3 or 4 things at the same time, because you cannot give the same quality to everything if you try to do them all at the same time. And this is a question that when we work together over longer time in January, we can go into more, because there's so many aspects of this, trying to do the one thing after the other. So you can keep that in the back of your mind when you would like to create space for something new for the new year that is going to come.